Hello everyone, I am Zunaira Khan, student of BTech 7th Sem CSE branch. Today my presentation topic is Sixth Sense Technology. So the agenda of this Sixth Sense Technology is introduction and its history, why choose Sixth Sense Technology, components of Sixth Sense Technology, how does it works and its application, current status, advantages, disadvantages, future of Sixth Sense Technology, and last is conclusion. So first is introduction. Sixth Sense is a wearable gesture interface that enhances the physical world around us with the digital information. It basically means that it bridges the gap between the real world and the digital world and lets us use natural hand gesture to interact with that information. It is based on the concept of augmented reality and has well implemented the perception of it. So it uses many artificial intelligence technologies like hand gesture recognition, image capturing, processing, manipulation, etc. It uses scientific term is defined as extrasensory perception or in short ESP. Uh, Next is history. Idea behind this marvelous technology was started late in 1990s by Steve Mann at MIT, who actually proposed first wearable computer. The Sixth Sense technology was first implemented as the neck-worn projector and camera system. After that, this work is carried forward by Pranav Mistry, who is a PhD student in the Fluid Interface group at MIT Lab Media in 2009. Why choose Sixth Sense technology? This Sixth Sense technology provides us with the freedom of interacting with the digital world with hand gesture. This technology enables people to interact with the digital world as they with the real world. This technology has wide application in the field of artificial intelligence. So the component of the Sixth Sense technology are here: camera, projector, mirror, mobile computing device, color markers. So first is camera. It is a digital eye of the system. It captures the scene the user is looking at, captures the hand movements and gestures. If there is any object in a view, then the object is captured by the webcam, and using computer based techniques it captures that hand gestures and send this information to the smartphone. After that, projector. It augments the physical object, wall or any other thing the user is interacting with by projecting digital information and uses as GUI. It contains battery inside and the 3 hours of battery life. Mirror. The mirror reverts the projection coming out from projector, and thus we can project anywhere in desired object like wall. Means the downward facing projector projects the image onto the mirror. After that, mirror project that image onto the desired surface. So mobile computing device. The Sixth Sense system uses mobile computing device in user's pocket as the processing device. The mobile computing device like smartphone uses to handle the connection to the internet using mobile data. So next is color marker. The color markers that are red, green, blue and yellow are placed at the tip of the fingers, which helps the camera to recognize the hand gesture. The software program processes the video data captured by the camera, tracks the location of the color markers at the tip of the user fingers. How does it work? So the main components of this Sixth Sense technology are connected with each other. So first, camera recognize the color markers location. After that, it sends this information to the smartphone. Smartphone process this information and send it to the projector. The downward facing projector project this image or capturing data to the mirror. After that, mirror reflect that image or data to the desired surface like a wall or any other physical object. At present, the commercial product of Sixth Sense technology is not launched, but the prototype of this Sixth Sense technology is prepared. So the Sixth Sense prototype is made using very common and easily available equipments like camera, smartphone, projector, mirror, and the so, next is application. The sixth sense technology finds a lot of application in the modern world like make a call, clock, access and internet anywhere, and drawing using fingers and so on. So, first is make a call. This technology enables the user to call without using the dialer. User can just uh, project the dialer onto the palm, and the using other hand it can dial the number and make a call to anyone. And next is clock. The user just needs to make gesture of clock, and the watch will be projected on the user's hand. You have to just draw a circle on your wrist to get a virtual watch, and it gives you a correct time. Next is access anywhere internet. The user can browse internet on any surface, even on their palm. So we can just say it that it simply means that whole world in your palm now. So yeah, drawing using fingers. The drawing application let the user draw on any surface by tracking the fingertip movement. You so the camera just recognize your hand movement and gestures, and it sends the data and information to the smartphone, and you can just and projector can just project their image onto it on any desired wall or surface. Next is current status. The Sixth Sense technology achieved wide press coverage in 2019. No commercial product had been released at that time. As of September 2013, the open source code published has not been updated since October 2012, and the Java development branch of the project was similarly stalled. Advantages. So port here are some advantages of the sixth sense technology. First is portable, cost effective, connectedness between the real world and digital world, open source software, data access directly from the machines in the real time. So portable, this is the main advantage of the sixth sense technology. It is small size and its portability. You can carry without any trouble or any difficulty. Cost effective. The construction of the sixth sense prototype is quite low. Uh, Connectedness between the real world and digital world. This is the main aim of the sixth sense technology, and it is a open source. Any developer can make its prototype and uses in their own imagination, according to their own imagination and their own way. Data access directly from the machine in real time. With the help of sixth sense device, the user can easily access data from any machine at real time, and the doesn't the user can doesn't require any machine human interface to access the data. So next is disadvantage. We have to give correct instruction. So yeah, if we don't give a correct instruction to the machine, it will not produces a correct result. So we have to give a correct instruction. The projector runs on a batteries for power where regularly have to place. It is important. If we don't have a battery, then the whole device is useless. After future of sixth sense, to get rid of a color markers and hand use easily used by voice recognition. Sixth sense with holographic visualize the better word. Camera can act as an eye for blind people as a fifth sense for them. So it will uses a handicapped people as a fifth sense. It is almost like setting up a digital system into our body and making use of it. Last is conclusion. The key here is that sixth sense recognizes the object around you, displaying information automatically and letting you access it any way you want in the simplest way possible. This technology has seamless application for handicapped people. This will have different application for different developers, just depending upon how they imagine and how they works. The inventor Pranav Mistry has decided to make it open source. This will enable individuals to make their own applications depending upon their needs and their imagination. Thank you.